Hello, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, you're welcome and I hope you stay. Today, I'm bringing to you another review. And what am I talking about? I'm talking about Nivea body lotion with Q10 and vitamin C. I must say, I love vitamin C. So this is basically a body lotion from Nivea. I love using Nivea products because, they are so light, they smell good and all that. But, what attracted me to this was the combination of Q10 and vitamin C. As you know, vitamin C is good for the skin, works great for elasticity. It helps in getting rid of blemishes, gives you a brighter and more even toned skin in general. Then we have the Q10, which is great for anti-aging. It contains so much antioxidants. Sometimes you take Q10 orally, it's like you take it as a supplement, but it's also great in skincare products. So if you see a skincare product with Q10, it's a good thing, is a great thing, and you can give it a try. Now this says is hydrating milk, okay, and you see great improvement in 10 days. They have written it there, 10 days. Let's find out if it's true. And it says after 10 days your skin is going to be toned and more elastic. Well, this is right because the combination of vitamin C and Q10 will be perfect for elasticity and giving you that natural glow that we all want. So this is how it comes in. It's a 250 ml and they say it's for normal skin. It's not for dry skin or it's not for oily skin. Now you can see here, whenever you buy any Nivea lotion, it shows you how rich or how light it is. And this is 1, 2. Okay, so number 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So in all we have 5. The higher it is, the thicker and difficult it is to rub and get it to absorb into your skin. But the lesser the number, the easier it is to absorb in your skin. And it has more water, it's a little bit more runny as compared to the richer one. I actually prefer the lighter one compared to the richer one, especially when it comes to my skin. And I prefer the lighter one during the summer and the warmer months. But when it's getting colder, I prefer the thicker because it stays on your skin the more and it prevents drying out. Now, this says it contains 2 very effective antioxidants. That is right. Q10 is an antioxidant and vitamin C is also an antioxidant. So the 2 of them put together is a bomb. As Nivea always claims, it says your skin stays hydrated for 48 hours. Well, for those who don't shower every day, 48 hours, in 2 days, you are still going to be hydrated. But I take my shower every day, so maybe 24 hours. Now, it is used just like any other cream for your body. This is not for your face. They have a smaller version, a more concentrated version, a thicker version for your face. This is for your body. So these are the 2 main ingredients which made me, buy this. I must say, Nivea creams are Nivea lotions or Nivea skincare is very affordable, but this particular one with the Q10 and vitamin C costs about €7. Yes, usually you can get a Nivea lotion of a 250 ml for 4, for 3, less than 5, but this Q10 and vitamin C cost more, obviously because of the ingredients inside. That is why. So I bought this and I have been using it for about a month now. I use it on my body. I must say it smells so good. The smell is so good. It is not pungent. It is sweet and soft. It doesn't suffocate you. It's something pleasant, a very pleasant smell. And as you can see, this is super light, like very light. rubs, easily on your skin. You don't have to rub. You can just be lazy and just put it on your skin like that. And as you can see, it is absorbed without any strong rubbing. Just this light motion, and it has absorbed into my skin. I must say, it stays on the skin for so long. If I use it in the morning, it stays throughout till the evening time that I have to take my evening shower. So yes, it stays hydrated. Now let's talk about the effect. That's really give you that glowy, does it really give you that glowy, elastic looking skin in 10 days? I must say, in 10 days is a little bit exaggerated. Okay, you are going to see the improvement in about 3 weeks or a month. It does work, but it is slow. I must say, I really saw the improvement around my legs. Okay, my legs were so smooth and it was radiant during the summer. It was shiny and I loved it. My legs were glowy, and on my shoulders I could see that. But in 10 days, that is not true. In 10 days is not true. It's obviously an exaggeration, and well, I mean, it's okay. It's okay to exaggerate a little bit to sell your product. So is it a good product in general? Well, yeah, it is good. It's not super duper, because I mean, you pay something like €7 for a lotion of 250 ml. I must say, it's one of the top Nivea lotions. Okay, talking about Nivea range, is one of the top. Talking about for the skin, is one of the greatest Nivea lotions I have used. But comparing it to other brands which are a little bit higher quality, this one over here, I would say, is just okay. If you want an everyday skin lotion, an everyday gray skin lotion which hydrates, which smells good, which doesn't leave your skin dry, it is good. As you can see, it has really absorbed into my skin. If you are somebody with dry skin, I don't think this is going to work for you. If you have oily skin, it's great. If you have normal skin, it's great. But dry skin, I think you have to add a little bit of an oil or a butter to get it to hydrate a little, very well. For those of you with the other types of skin, it is okay. Am I going to get this again? Yes, I'm going to get this again. I love to get this, and during the winter when it's colder, I like to mix it with butter, shea butter, cocoa butter, mango butter. I love the fact that it has that very nice smell, and also when I mix it with the butter, it covers the smell of the butter, because I like to get the unrefined organic butters, and those butters have a smell, even though they work very well. So this good smell covers it up, and it does its job as well. So yeah, I am going to get it again. I'm going to use it as a kind of a base to be mixing up my butters for my skin during the colder seasons. So it's a yay. I must say, for the price, this is an 8. I'll give it an 8 out of a 10. And mind you, if you buy this, it's not going to last, okay, because it's so light as compared to the other one, the classic Nivea hydrating lotion. This is thicker, but it doesn't really last. You're going to run out very soon, especially if you're somebody who takes your shower every day or 2 times in a day. You are going to run out. This, I can say, is the only downside. But hey, if you want an everyday lotion, this is a great lotion from Nivea, and I am definitely going to get it again. Okay guys, so let me know, have you ever tried this Nivea with vitamin C and Q10? Did you find it great? Don't you like it? Let me find out in the comment section. And if you've not subscribed, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to share this with family and friends, and don't forget to leave me that big fat thumbs up. Until next time, I am going to see you again with another nice and interesting one. Bye bye.